There we go. Thank you. Walking on the road as the mates going over there.
Very good.
That's the people that work. I'm gonna put on YouTube. I'm the first one. As a Viking. Sorry, mate.
Can't wait to see that last night.
Have you got tickets for the bonfire site? And you can follow this road up through, or just these are all going to the bonfire site.
You go weaving, you'll like it. You go weaving, it's amazing.
No, you, them. I'm running right across. Fucking idiot. Beautiful roast bar. I've been all over.
Are you alright? Are you alright? Small cider, please. That's on me.
Cider, Mikey.
That's my friend Lisa. They're working on the barbecue. Yeah.
Lovely to see you.
Hello.
How are you doing? You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I just got here.
Bless you.
No, I got you on camera.
Right, yeah.
That's cool. I haven't seen this lady for over a year. And now here she's doing the set. There you go.
Now you are.
Say hello, please. I discovered. My friend owns this place. Sorry, bro. Hey. How you doing, mate? How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, my friend.
You don't remember me, do you?
I remember you. This is
there.
the Chestnuts stand. This is Ty, my colleague. The chef. He's the chef. We're selling chestnuts in Lewes. We're selling chestnuts for the bonfire.
Gentlemen in the pub in Lewes. Fireworks. I'm doing a diary of the day.
You want to know you're talking about? I'm already in there drinking everything.
I'm doing a diary of the day, guys. So I'm coming to the pub. We're in Lewes. I'm filming the fireworks. I'm going this way. There's a man going over here.